Usembut Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla bat Menteri Ketenat Urban Affairs subak Smio Bhalang Dhar uloong Khuborkhasi Jilla kadang Pynbeit ya Jingpeit bat Sumar ya street light Shillong kadang ban pentikna bakanum don syuk ke jingnya takho ha ke jingkmi yaki. Ha ke jingkren bikilap pathai Khubor uloong meminta ke Jingpeit ya street light kadang ha pedeng ke power department bat ke Shillong smart city. Henry ke sorkar ke larai ban pensyai pai ba ki Ketenat ki bandai pet kat kum ki jaka balabu.
The job we had decided, so all the street lighting from now on will be maintained by the municipal board in some areas, and mainly since you are talking about the street light, there is some part maintenance and proposed by the power department, and there is some part by the smart steaming under the municipal board. So we are yet to finalize where to. The project is now DPR is prepared. Even you know very well. So there is meeting from time to time between all the headmen of the Shillong agglomerations. And they are submit the proposals requesting the government to put some of the important places. And now we are working out where to put for the first phase. But we have decided one thing. So from now maybe it might not really remember. Almost all these important areas will be put by the municipal board and will be maintained by this municipal board also. And yes, obviously there is some areas which has been maintained and put by the power department. That's why, because there is confusion before, so now we have come to conclusion there will be no more confusions. We always specify the area whom to look, which department, whether municipal or power department.